So finally, biggest hiring is out. If you see here that Milliman just sending the mail online assessment, what type of this hiring I already uploaded today. Just go to video section and check out the video which I already uploaded about Milliman just applied as soon as possible because trainee engineer role is there, trainee software engineer, and they are sending the mail for 24, 25 batch and 23 batches eligible. So believe me, this is going to be a big hiring for you. Applied as soon as possible. But I'm going to tell you about this mail also and Virtusa fresher hiring mail also. But before that, I want to tell you one thing that research analyst roles Bangalore location is announced, which is big hiring for you. If you see here, analyst intern role plus research analyst associate role. What type of this role is this? This is internship absolutely for 26 batch for 6 months with PPO and 25 batches eligible, means all fresher. And for associate research analyst, 30 to 35,000, 1 to 3 year of experience is needed in BE, BTech, CS, IT. MCA, BCA is eligible. Bangalore location is there. Immediate joining is there. But if you see here, this is the Google form. If you click on this, you will redirect to this page. Now there is shortlisting. Keep in mind, first of all, there is shortlisting. You have to first update your resume. Otherwise, you will never get to see the shortlisting mail even for fresher. तो यहाँ पे समझने की जरूरत है. I am only telling you about resume shortlisting only for fresher because if you having 1 to 3, you all know what to add in resume. यहाँ पे सिर्फ fresher के बेसिस पे बता रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे कुछ चीजें समझ लेना पहले अच्छे से. Anyone programming with generative AI, ML is compulsory. Web technologies is compulsory like front end, back end, database. ये तीन चीजें compulsory हैं. With any programming language, aptitude, reasoning skill is must. Writing or verbal English is compulsory. Means communication, interpersonal skill you have to put in resume. So if you read the responsibilities part, you will check there is many things is related to SEO, technology optimization. ठीक है, solving complex problem using frameworks and platforms. There is many thing you have to do. So first read this and put all these domain which is written here. Now if you scroll down, you can see BE, BTech, MCA, BE is eligible. You have to give your updated resume. That's it. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. Why? Because there is shortlisting. If you get the shortlisting, then you will see the round 1 assessment mail for intern plus experience candidate, which is package is very huge. देखो बहुत decent है, बहुत अच्छा है. PPO भी मिलेगा फ्रेशर को तो बहुत हाई है. 30 to 35,000 based on your experience मिलने वाला है. So please fill this form as soon as possible. And one more thing, first read this and first update your resume, then put all the related domain which is written here, क्योंकि यही चीज देखी जाएगी during shortlisting. And if they got to see this type of domain which is written here, then they will give you the assessment mail. One more biggest hiring I want to tell you, which is direct referral opportunity absolutely for fresher 2025. BE, BTech, BCA, MCA और MTech is eligible for Kolkata location. Background ही देख लो अपना, education ये होना चाहिए. Now what type of role is there? This is basically Java developer role. Java and SQL Server. If you having knowledge of this, you can easily put that domain. Full stack Java with Hibernate, Spring Boot, database, PostgreSQL, MySQL. Then you can see the shortlisting mail. The company name is ITC Infotech, and for this the company name may be Adureka. This is the company name, and for this you can easily see Java SQL is compulsory. So please send the resume. So please send your resume on this email as soon as possible. Now first I am going to telling you about Milliman recruitment online test. If you see, you have been selected to appear for the online test and hiring interns. First of all, there is shortlisting. There is shortlisting resume based. Already told you in the previous video what to add in resume to get the shortlisting mail. So please update your resume first. So what is going on? Please access the following link. Take your test. This is the link. You have to click on this. You will redirect to the assessment. If the link does not open on first try or show any error, try accessing the link again before contacting HR. ठीक है? This is an automatic mail. Please do not reply. So this is the mail people or candidate getting after shortlisting. So you have to first update your resume, then they are sending the assessment mail for the trainee software engineer role. Already uploaded the video. Go and check out the what to add in resume, then apply for this hiring. First you have to understand what to add in resume. This is mandatory part. Now if you see here that complete your application for Virtusa fresher hiring. If you check here Java stack, full stack developer. Now how to apply, because they are not they did not release the link to apply. They are directly sending the email to the shortlisting candidate. Directly वो official mail send कर रहे हैं for apply. This is the application they are already sending the shortlisted candidates by their own. There is not a link or not a apply button you can hit or apply it. ठीक है, तो full stack developer है यहाँ पे. Java 5 LPA 25 batches eligible. BE, BTech, CS, IT all electrical branches plus 65 throughout academic. No active backlog, and there is pan India hiring. And one more thing I want to tell you, there is shortlisting. After filling this, you have to wait for the shortlisting mail. First you have to put first you have to put all full stack Java developer domain, which I already told you: Hibernate, Spring Boot, PostgreSQL, MySQL, HTML, CSS, Angular, JS. If you are putting, then this will be added advantage. So they are sending the official mail to the specific or some candidates to apply. After applying, you will see this mail. If you get shortlisting mail, then you will see this mail that upgrade Virtusa fresher hiring Java full stack developer. If you see here that many more is there, you have to first understand what is this. This is Java developer Virtusa, ठीक है, and there is multiple location, pan India hiring 25 BBT. I already told you 65% criteria, no active backlog is required, and this is absolutely for 5 LP. If you see pre-assessment technical expectation, that GitHub version control you have to put in resume, core Java is there, and exemption held in core Java and GitHub and Java collections, ठीक है, object oriented SQL. These you can also put these domain. If you get this official mail by Virtusa, you can easily put these domain which I am showing you. So this is the main thing, because pre-assessment में तुम्हें ये देखने मिलेगा, तो obviously they are expecting from you that you know these type of thing, because you will get to see the responsibilities from these domains, ठीक है. So this is the next step. If you are interested, please confirm your participation by responding through link here. You have to click in this by 4th of 4 p.m. tomorrow, 6th of February. Post confirmation, you will be required to complete 3 mandatory online assessment. First is upgrade communication technical, 7th of February, which is tomorrow onwards. Virtusa coding assessment, 10th of February, 4.5 hours. Virtusa speech X assessment, 1 hour, 11th of February. So you have to fill this form as soon as possible. But more thing you have to keep in mind: candidate who successfully clear the above assessment will be shortlisted for a 15-minute technical discussion, which is interview, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा easy होगा अगर तुम ये 3 चीज़ें क्लियर करो, क्योंकि these are 3 assessment. If you clearing this, then interview will be very easy and you will get to see the offer letter. After receiving offer letter, post selection process is the shortlisting candidate will go under 4K. Shortlisted candidate will undergo a 4-week training program on Java conducted by Upgrade. No fees will be charged to candidate at any stage of this process. Upon completion of training, they will give you the final assessment interview with Virtusa, and successful candidate will receive the final offer letter from Virtusa, which will be very big opportunity for you, and please apply it as soon as possible if you receive the official mail. So this is the thing you have to keep in mind. They are sending the official mail. There is no apply link, ठीक है. After that you will receive this type of mail also. So fill this form as soon as possible and complete it. And for Milliman, already uploaded the video. Hit the apply button, link in the description box about this Milliman hiring. So fill the form as soon as possible. Like this video to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.